Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel today. We are unboxing and reviewing the Comet UNO Limited Edition. So, let's open the box and see what we've got. And here they are, the Comet UNO Limited Edition. But before we get into the shoes, I noticed something when I opened the box. According to the unboxing experience, there should be some additional accessories included with the package. But in my box, I couldn't find the UNO bag and the card. So, unfortunately, those accessories were missing from my package. I'm not sure if this was a packing issue or if the contents can vary depending on where you purchase the shoes from. Apart from that, the shoes themselves look really impressive. Wow! The first thing that catches my attention is definitely the color combination. It's bold, colorful, and instantly gives you that UNO vibe. I really like how Comet hasn't just added a simple UNO logo and called it a collaboration. The UNO inspiration is actually built into the sneaker design. When you look closer, you can see different UNO-inspired details throughout the shoes. There are also some really cool little elements that you might not notice at first glance. And that's what makes this pair interesting. It feels playful, unique, and definitely different from the usual sneakers you see every day. Now, coming to the overall design, I think this shoe is made for people who like their sneakers to stand out. The colors are eye-catching, but at the same time, the design still feels clean enough to style with casual outfits. And when it comes to comfort and fit, these are more suited for everyday lifestyle, where rather than serious sports or running. For styling, I'd keep the outfit simple. A clean t-shirt with jeans, cargos, or shorts would work really well, and let the sneakers become the main attraction. And now, let's see how they look on feet. Honestly, I think they look even better when you actually wear them. The colors really pop, and the UNO-inspired design makes them a real conversation starter. So, after checking out the packaging, design, details, comfort, and overall look, here's my honest opinion. I think the biggest attraction of the Comet UNO Limited Edition is the collaboration itself. It's not just a pair of sneakers. It's the whole experience, from the UNO-inspired packaging to the details on the shoes. If you're an UNO fan, a sneaker collector, or you simply want something different and unique, this pair is definitely worth checking out. But if you're looking for a simple sneaker that goes with absolutely everything, this might not be the best choice. For me, the design, the collaboration, and the attention to detail make this pair really special. So my rating for the Comet UNO Limited Edition is 9 out of 10. What do you guys think about this collaboration? Would you actually wear these? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this unboxing and review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next unboxing. Peace.
I can't deny. Uno vibe, Uno vibe. Right out the box. Uno vibe, Uno vibe. Colors that pop. Uno vibe, Uno vibe. They stop the room. Uno vibe.